Guys, today I'm going to visit the main campus of a university. I study in London campus but didn't go to the main campus in Newcastle. So this is today I'm going to have a move in Newcastle. I'm alone here. There is no one to scold me, to talk, to share something, or even taking a photo. So I'm taking my video myself. I'll take all the videos what I will see and will do in this day. Keep with me. I'm just aboard in the train. It will leave within 1 minute. Train it was in the Humber side. It's the Humber River, just over there. It's the eastern side of Humber. Ships are grazing here in the ground. Just near the Humber River. The fastest train on the way to Newcastle. I've just arrived in Newcastle, where my university stays. This is the train station. I am moving forward to the university campus. I'm alone here, so no one is with me. I'm doing my video. I've come out from the station. Now I'm moving forward to the university, the street of Newcastle. I don't know the name of the street. Lots of oldest buildings, right and left sides. Guys, I reached the main entrance of the university. Guys, this is the library building of the university. Just came from the school building just over there. I don't know where I'm going. There are lots of buildings. I have to find out everything one by one. This is the library of the university. There is a library building just over the right corner. This is the first floor. It's a nice sculpture in the middle of the town center. Guys, there are lots of buildings in the university. I'm very tired. I don't know how to get there in every building. I just went to student union and the library and just moving around the campus. I won't take any more videos, sorry. Now I'm leaving the university campus. It's just a small visit to the university for me. I'm leaving this place. The train is almost empty.